Today I'm going to show you how I created this really easy eye look. You guys know how I've been loving, I don't want to use the word obsessed because it really kills me. It just drives me nuts. I see so many people say, I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I don't want to say that word because it's just overused and I'm over it. But I am loving the Armas colors, and today I bought this one because one of you guys recommended it, so I'm like, okay, put it in the cart, and I love it. It's the first I wore it. Look how pretty that is. This is in the shade Eclipse, and it's a greenish color. It's got a little bit of yellow to it, but look at how gorgeous it is. I bought 2 more colors, and since it's like I literally just got this and I'm filming today, so I'm like, I'm going to share this with you guys. So maybe I'll just swatch those for today, but you'll see me do a look with them. Okay, so wait here. I got these 2 colors as well. So before I do this look, let's just look at these colors, shall we? Because I haven't. So this one, look at the packaging on it. I mean, the color. This one is in the color Aurora. I cannot wait to try this one. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous that is. I cannot wait. And by the way, I don't have my blush on. I know I look, I'm filming my video, one of the videos today for the Armas blushes. I'm filming each one individually so you can see what they look like on my face. And then this one is in the color Moon Dust. I feel like this one isn't going to be a one and done for me. I feel like this is going to be a color that I can use over a color like this. I'm in the wrong eye, like this. But we'll see. So let's swatch this. Oh, that is so pretty. That's prettier than I thought it would be. That is so, do you see those? They are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm very smitten with this brand. There's a couple things with this brand that I did not like, but for the most part, it's been a ballpark win for me. And I can't say that about a lot of brands. I've tested a lot from brands before. Even Charlotte Tilbury, as much as I love Charlotte Tilbury, not everything is like amazing. And I personally, everybody's on a different budget, but I don't think this is crazy expensive in my opinion. You know, wait for a sale if you have to, whatever. But I don't think this isn't like Sicily prices. Okay, it's not even Charlotte Tilbury prices. All right. And it's good makeup. I'm loving what I'm using. Okay, anyways, we're going to get into it. It's so easy. I'm embarrassed of even showing you this, how to do it. But I want to show you how I did my eyes and stuff. Hopefully, did it transfer my lower? It did a little bit, but I might leave it today. I'm using a different eyeliner today, but I don't mind that it kind of transferred today. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm not pushing. Don't use the key right away. I know one of you guys said you bought it and used the key right away and it would stop. Yeah, you don't use the key. You don't have to use the key until it's like, I don't even really have to hardly squeeze these, okay? So when you're using it up and you get to maybe this point and you like can't squeeze, then when you have all this empty, then you use the key. But please, for the love, don't use it before or it's just going to keep oozing out. Okay, oops, wrong eye. See, I'm looking at my monitor. I did the opposite. So I'm just going on with this. Oh my God, I love it so much. It's just so, I just love it. Colors are just so gorgeous. A little clumpy there. I don't know why. That's the first time that's happened with their shadows. See that where it looked a little clumpy-ish? Don't know why. You don't want to take too long to work with these because they will dry fast. Yeah, these dry kind of quickly, so you don't want to play around with them too much. But they don't crease on me. They wear all day, and I feel like one color, it looks amazing. I think the reason is because they're, I don't know how to describe the color, but you see how it color shifts a little bit where it looks green, but it looks blue, like green, but it's got a little yellow in there. It kind of color shifts a little bit, and I think that's why you're able to use just one shadow. Oh, I just love these so much. They're just so beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that is. And you don't have to use a brush like I just like to go over it with a brush to really blend it, but you don't have to. You just use your finger. That's what's so great about these. So now I'm going to go in with a liner that I had for a while now. And this is from Chanel, and this is the Intense Teal. And first I'm going to put it in my tight line. Oops, my tight line. It doesn't matter if it goes above because I am going to put it above too. This one's got a little bit more blue in it, but I think it still works. I think it works better than the other liners that I have. Kind of brightens it a little bit. And I'm going to take my BK Beauty, this is the number 204, the smudger brush. I just want to smudge this out a little bit here. Just kind of blend it and soften that up. Then I'm going to, and it's going to bleed a little bit on here. It will. I'm just going to let it be. Actually, I'm just going to make it do it. There we go. So it'll I'm okay with it transferring today. Now I'm going to take my golden quartz. This doesn't match it exactly, but it has a little bit of a yellow in it. And because the shadow has yellow, it just works in my opinion. Take that same smudger brush. I'm just going to wipe it off. And go ahead and I mean, you guys, look at how pretty that is. I'm going to go ahead and take this brush here. This is my Fit Club Beauty brush. I just blend that out a little bit. I'm just going to put my mascara on. I'm actually doing a review on it. I will list it below, but I'm doing a review on it. Let me get the rest of my makeup on, and I'll be right back. So this is my final look. I love it. Isn't that pretty? This is so pretty. Like, I feel confident and comfortable wearing this out. And what I mean by that is this. I am just not into, I've done videos before where I've shared bold color and I love it. It's just not something that I wear all the time because I'm just not, I just have to be in the mood for it. You know what I mean? I have to be in the mood for something like that. I feel like this is really fun and it's a change from my brown that I do all the time, which I love. But I feel like this is a really pretty, still neutral color. It's so pretty. So I will do a look using this, and maybe this, or maybe I'll just wear it in another video. I just don't think that there's going to be it's really pretty, but I don't know that it'd be enough for me, you know what I mean? But I feel like this would be a color I could mix with other colors. I don't know, but I really, 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 if you don't know, really love these shadows. They're just so easy to work with, and it looks like I spent more time on it, and you saw how easy it is. It's so easy to use. Highly recommend. I have all the colors. I have all the colors now. I have every single color. Thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this really, really quick eye tutorial and kind of like a little mini review on those. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. And to those of you that are already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. Please do me a huge favor before you leave. Please make sure you like, share, comment my videos because it helps push them out. I really, really, really would appreciate it. So thank you all so much. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.